As you know, this is a global problem. The COVID-19 is a global problem. It's not only a Kenyan problem, but a serious global problem. Growth projections have been revised downwards. IMF gives a global growth of less than 1%. But for us, we are estimating at about 2.5%, but can go lower than that to 1.8 growth if the situation persists. Regarding mitigation measures, you are aware that the serious reduction in terms of economic activities, mainly in the service sector, transport sector, is affecting every segment, every sector of the economy. And as a result of this, there are loss of jobs, loss of earnings, and there's general slackness of growth at all levels. And this might actually persist for a long time.
Na tukona performance ya economy ya 2019 irari njega no ne irari nini gucinda ya 2018 tuonete bururi uyikora na 6.3% no riu urakurire na 5.4%. Ukona ni turathire the hanini tagore ta Ngirigaca ni ukioi economy no ya Kenya edire na Ngirigaca muno. Riu kiwango kia Ngirigaca 2018 twakurite 6%, riu turakurite na 3.6%.